Hi guys, so welcome back again sa ating video ngayon is pag-usapan natin yung common information technology terms. So yan, diretso na tayo sa ating lesson agenda. Okay, so we have 4 subtopics natin pag-usapan, which is CD-ROM, GPS, Bluetooth, and interface. So let's head on our first subtopic, which is yung CD-ROM. So CD-ROM, it is a computer peripheral that reads an optical disc. It is usually seen on all computers such as desktops, laptops, etc. It can be used on any multimedia player, gaming console, etc. So, ang CD-ROM, it is yung nakalagay sa inyong mga old computers. Yung pag meron doon pindutan minsan, tapos nalabas yung peripheral na yun. So, naka-built-in yun sa inyong old laptop. So, ngayon, sa mga new laptops kasi yun is wala na masyadong CD-ROM. So, yan. Tapos, ang next subtopic natin is yung GPS. So, GPS, it is defined as a global positioning system. So, mali lang yung type ko lang dyan. So, yan ay global positioning system. It is developed by one of the notable figures, which is si Chris Hopper. So, main function ng GPS is to locate your current location. So, lahat ng apps is ginagamit yung GPS once na open yung inyong Wi-Fi connection. Ayan, para ma-determine ko na yung current location nyo. So, next natin is si Bluetooth. So, si Bluetooth is named after the Danish king, Harald. So, main function ni Bluetooth is to connect wirelessly. Yung pwede kayo mag-send ng files within siguro mga 5 meters away from the receiver or sender. And then lastly is yung interface. So, interface, it can be seen in a website or any software, and it has different pages such as home page, landing page, about page, or etc. Yan lang guys. So yun lang yung katapos-tapos na ating lesson. So balik tayo sa kabila. So yung ating lesson ngayon is common information technology term. So, I hope you learn about our topic today. So, ito ay mapapanood nyo every 1 p.m. na schedule to every 1 p.m. So, starting today, Monday. Yun lang guys, and thanks for watching.